Hi, I'm Elmar, and I spent the last decade researching how to find more bugs in less time. I want to introduce you to test intelligence analyses that help you find more bugs in less time based on data from your own projects. For example, this colorful picture behind me is actually a so-called test gap tree map that shows modified code that has not yet been tested and is thus especially error-prone. In my talk at EuroSTAR, I will present test gap analysis and other test intelligence analyses, outline their research background, and share experiences from international test teams that use them. I hope that my talk helps you to decide whether test intelligence analyses are useful for your own work and tell apart useful analyses from useless, shiny things and snake oil. See you at EuroSTAR.